subject is mathematics. Come to page number 71. So today's class we're going to discuss about ascending order and descending order. So ascending order means smallest to biggest. If you arrange some things or numbers or any items from smaller to bigger, then we can call it as a ascending order or increasing order. So now we'll see what is the definition they are given in textbook and what are the examples they are given here, and we'll see the actual numbers. When things or numbers are arranged from the smallest to the biggest, as I told, here are things or numbers. So here we'll see only numbers, and we can see in activities what are the things you can arrange. We'll see in that in next session. So when things or numbers are arranged from the smallest to biggest. So from small to the biggest. So from lower level to the higher level. They are in increasing order or ascending order. So you can see here it is bicycle and it is motorbike or bike and it is car and it is bus. So it is arranged in the manner of size. So bicycle is somewhat less size than, it is smaller than motorbike. So this one bike is smaller than car. Then car is smaller than bus. So you can say our denotation, we can say here increasing order, it is less. Why? Because it is lesser than cap is open bike side and you can open like this. Why? Because motorbike is smaller than car. So then car is smaller than bus. Can you arrange like this? Greater than symbol and less than symbol? Yes, from smallest to the biggest. That is the concept here. Then next one, 13, 14, 12 and 11. So here we need to arrange these numbers in our smallest to biggest. So 11, 12, 13, 14. They are arranged from the small number to, as already we have studied, we learned up to 20 numbers. So before 20 only they are given. They are not exceeded after 20. So here, write the numbers in ascending order. 5, 8, 7, 2. So 2 is smaller, for that they are written here. 2 is smaller, and after that, which number is smaller? 5. 5 is smaller than 8 and 7. So for that 5. Then in 8 and 7, which number is smaller? 7. So for that, we written 7 here. Finally 8. So like this, we have to complete all this one. So here 14, 11, 13, 18. So you need to compare which number is smaller here. So which number is smaller? 11. So 11 you have to write it. Then among 14, 13, 18, which number is smaller? 13. Then you write 13 here. And 14 and 18. So this is the way to write ascending order or increasing order. Come to page number 72. That is descending order, biggest to smallest. So as already explained in ascending order, the things or numbers will be arranged from the biggest to smallest. So when things or numbers are arranged from the biggest to smallest, here big to small. So here biggest to smallest. That means we have to take first one as a bigger one and smaller things. They are in decreasing order or descending order. So here the biggest one, we need to use greater than symbol. Yes, you can use it is greater than symbol. Bus is greater size than car. Car is greater size than motorbike. Then bike is greater than bicycle. So here biggest to smallest. Here also you can see 15, 14, 16, 17. So 15, 14, 16, 17. From biggest to smallest we have to arrange. So biggest one is 17. After that 16. After that 15 and 14. So biggest to smallest. So here you can see that write the numbers in descending order. So from all these one, biggest number is 9. For that they are written 9. Then after among this 6, 8, 7, 8 is bigger, then 7 is bigger and 6 is bigger. So this is the way they written. Here you can see here 15, 12, 14, 10. Which one is bigger here? 15, as it is 15, right? After that 14 is bigger and 12 is bigger, then 10 is smaller. So this is the way to write. Next we'll see. Thanks for watching. We'll see in our next session.